For easy ways to hide apps on your iPhone. First method, hide an app from the home screen. To hide an individual app, just hold down the app you want to hide. Tap on Remove App, and then select Remove from home screen. Now, you'll see it's gone from your home screen, but it will still appear in the app library. Second method, hide entire pages of apps. Simply long press anywhere on the home screen and tap on the dots at the bottom. Now, just uncheck the page you want to hide. I now have only one visible page. Third method, hide apps from the app library. Go into Settings, then select Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you want to hide system apps like FaceTime and others, tap on Allowed Apps. Then toggle off the apps you want to hide. And that's it, you can see the app is now hidden from the library. Alright, let's hide apps on the latest iOS. First, long tap on the app icon that you want to hide. Now, tap Require Face ID. Here you'll see options, select the second one, Hide and Require Face ID. A message will pop up, explaining what happens when you hide the app. Go ahead and tap Hide App to proceed. And that's it, the app is now completely hidden. It's moved to the hidden folder inside the app library. When you tap the hidden folder, Face ID authentication will be required to view the hidden apps. Now, if you tap on the app icon you want to open, Face ID authentication will be needed again before the app actually opens.